Learning English can sometimes feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we will focus on 5 simple phrases that can make a real difference in your daily conversations. These are not just textbook examples, they are phrases you will actually use when at work, shopping, or meeting new people. I'll guide you through each one, show you exactly when to use them, and we'll practice the pronunciation together. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 powerful tools that will boost your confidence in English conversations. Let's begin with a phrase that you will hear almost every day. How are you? This simple question is how English speakers check in with one another. It's not just about health, but rather it's a friendly greeting, a way to say, I care about you, or I'm interested in how you're doing today. You'll use this phrase when you see someone you know. Maybe it's a colleague that you pass in the hallway, a neighbor you run into, or a friend you haven't seen for some time. Let's practice together. First, let's break it down. How are you? Now, let's try it at a natural speed. How are you? When someone asks you this question, you can simply respond with, I'm fine, thank you, or I'm doing well, thanks. Here is a phrase that every language learner should know. I don't understand. This is your lifeline when English becomes confusing. Perhaps someone is speaking too quickly, using words you haven't yet learnt, or explaining something complicated. Instead of nodding along and feeling lost, you can use this phrase to ask for help. There's no shame in admitting this. It shows you are actively trying to learn and communicate better. Let's practice. I don't understand. Now, say it naturally. I don't understand. You can also follow the statement with, could you repeat that, please? Or, could you speak slower? Sometimes, we all need a little assistance. And can you help me is the perfect way to ask for it. This phrase works in so many situations. You might be lost and need directions. Maybe you can't find something in a shop, or are trying to understand how to operate a machine, or fill out a form. This simple question opens the door to getting the help you need. Most people are happy to help when you ask politely. So do not hesitate to use this phrase. Let's try it together. Can you help me? Now, let's say it naturally. Can you help me? Remember, adding please makes it even more polite. Can you help me, please? Time is something we all need to understand. And what time is it is the simplest way to ask. You may find this useful while waiting for a bus, meeting someone, or simply checking if you are running late. It is a practical phrase that you are likely to use regularly. Let's practice. What time is it? Now, at normal speed. What time is it? For added politeness, you might say, excuse me, what time is it, please? Our final phrase is perfect for making a positive first impression. Nice to meet you. This is what you say when you meet someone for the first time. It could be a new colleague, a neighbor, someone at a party, or even someone you have been introduced to by a friend. It is a warm and friendly way to acknowledge that you are pleased to meet them. Let's practice. Nice to meet you. Now naturally, nice to meet you. When someone says this to you, you can respond with, "Nice to meet you too." You've just learned 5 essential English phrases that will help your conversations flow more smoothly. "How are you?" is a common greeting used to check in with others. "I don't understand" is appropriate when you need clarification or when something is unclear to you. "Can you help me?" is a request for assistance. "What time is it?" is used to ask about the time. "Nice to meet you" is a phrase that helps to create a positive first impression. The key to improving your English is practice. Try using these phrases in real conversations this week. Start with 1 or 2 and gradually work them all into your daily interactions. Each time you use them, you will feel more confident and at ease. Remember, everyone was a beginner at some point, and every conversation presents an opportunity for improvement. Keep practicing and stay curious. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Speak real English with real teachers. Join Lingua Link online today.